Hi, my name is Jessie and I am a helper. I'm very proud of my job because I collect and share information about the weather. I am a weather forecaster. Weather forecasters are also called meteorologists. We often work with the meteorologists you see on TV and other helpers in our community to understand the weather and prepare for storms that may come to our area. Weather forecasters go to school to study the science and math of weather. We learn how to collect data, analyze weather information, and look for patterns. We use this training along with specialized tools to monitor weather, provide advice, and create storm alerts if needed. Would you like to see some of the tools we use? Let's go! Being outdoors is a good place to study the weather, and we use many different tools to help us collect data. Weather balloons like this measure temperature, wind speed, and pressure in the air. Weather balloons have two main parts, a balloon and a radiosonde. The balloon is filled with helium or hydrogen and carries our weather instruments into the sky. A radiosonde is the weather instrument that measures the conditions and reports information back to our computers. Every morning and every evening, weather forecasters around the country release balloons to collect information about weather conditions. Another important tool is our Doppler radar. This white dome looks a lot like a large weather balloon, but it stays on the tower. Our Doppler radar tracks precipitation and gives us information about the movement and strength of any nearby storms. Weather forecasters also use tools like rain gauges to see how much precipitation has fallen, digital thermometers to show us the temperature, and anemometers to measure wind speed. Now that we know how weather information is collected, let's go back inside to see how it is analyzed and shared. Information collected by our weather tools is read by computers. The computers analyze the information and create weather models, which help weather forecasters predict what the conditions will be like over the next few days. I take this information and create a weather forecast report for our area. A weather forecast report lets people know what kind of weather to expect. Weather forecast reports are shared with many helpers in our community, like meteorologists who work at television stations, public service workers, and even leaders at your school. Your grown-ups may also read the daily forecasts that I create. If there is a possibility for severe weather, my job is to issue alerts and provide advice about the storm. Alerts are special announcements that let you know something important is happening. I use a computer to create the alert and then send it out. Helpers across our community then use these reports to prepare for severe weather. We send alerts through phones, televisions, and radios. They can be surprising, but they are meant to help keep us safe. After a storm, weather forecasters survey damage so we can better predict and prepare for future storms. Since weather is all around us, you might be wondering if you can collect your own weather information. And the answer is yes. Let me show you how. You can keep track of the weather at your home each day by using a chart. Is today hot or cold? Did it rain or is the sun shining? What else do you notice about the weather? Write down what you observe. If it is safe, you can even take photos after a storm and share your own storm survey with local weather forecasters like me. Another thing you can do at home is to be prepared for severe weather. Together with your grown-ups, you can create weather plans and a supply kit so you are always storm ready. Weather forecasters are important helpers in our community because we share information about the weather and help you and your grown-ups prepare for any storms coming our way.
To learn more about Meet the Helpers, visit meetthehelpers.org.